Today we'll talk about how can you restrict on your Telegram X app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do, just click here on settings and come to next here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on data and storage here, and you just keep going down here. Then you click here on advanced. So in here can you so if you want to restrict on mobile data or restrict on Wi-Fi or restrict on roaming, here can you select, go and just click here, and here can you just so here can you turn on it here, and here can you control maxes, and here click on save, and it's going to restrict with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.